want to stay south of the river with the chains and the gold. We could be out here together, but you have places to go. Watching the sunshine lace the grey. I don't know why you wouldn't stay. You should come south of the river where the loving is gold. South of the river, this is where it all starts. I think that we could stay here forever, lie on the roof till it's dark. And when the last bus pulls away, I swear that I almost heard you say I should move south of the river. I want to get to know, I want to get to know. The river.
song, for instance, has been done by many, but I gotta do it my way. It says simply, I do it my way. It says simply, I do it my way. It says simply, just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, put an end to you. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. So then I planned to make, put an end to you. You know, everybody's got their own way of doing anything. Like you take this particular song, for instance, it's been done by many, but I gotta do it my way. It says simply, just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. So then I planned to make, put an end to you. Just yesterday morning.
If you are able, can you please stand?
Please all be seated. Prynhawn Dawr, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff. And thank you to my Welsh coach, Ali. Welcome to our 2025 graduation ceremonies. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I'm the Chancellor of Cardiff University. Like all of you here on this side, I too am a proud graduate of Cardiff, back in the dark ages of 1991, I did a postgraduate diploma at the journalism school, so I'm particularly excited to see the JOMEC students today. Cardiff shaped my life, giving me a career, a husband, and lifelong friends. And I hope that Cardiff will do the same for you. So, first of all, let's hear it for the great class of 2025. Tlongavachiadai! You did it! Congratulations. We're going to be raising the roof a lot today, but I just wanted to get everyone in the mood, and that was a very good start. We're here, of course, to celebrate the achievement of our students in the schools of journalism, media and culture, and music. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, and you've demonstrated dedication and commitment to get where you are today. You all have the knowledge, the talent, and most importantly, the empathy and the compassion to become a positive force in our world. To our students in the School of Journalism, Media and Culture, you recognise the importance of truth, of objectivity, of holding power to account, and you understand the online age. You graduate today from one of the most prestigious journalism and media schools in the UK, and Babita Sharma, who you'll hear from later, is one of your alums. That school gave Babita and I and thousands of others the best possible grounding for a career in reporting. But you graduate at a time when audiences are fragmenting and the business model for journalism is in flux. But you are well placed to make the best of this moment because you understand and have grown up in the information age. Those in our School of Music have become a community of focused musicians, performers, composers and musicologists who've developed a deep understanding of music and specialised in their own musical interests. Highlights this year include the Cardiff University Chamber Choir's performance and the school's International Women's Day concert. All of you are leaving us with a Cardiff qualification that tells the world that you're brilliant, passionate and have an inquiring mind. Please embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. For now, though, your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony and this moment. You'll remember it all your lives, the day you graduated from Cardiff, so savour it. As for friends and family who are here today, when your loved one crosses this stage, please raise the roof. Make as much noise as you possibly can. We need enthusiastic applause, so do not hold back. Tlongavachiadai to the great class of 2025. Sounding good. I now have the great pleasure of introducing Hannah Pearce. Hannah will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth's poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. Here's Hannah.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddio a feiddio, gwellhad y wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod. Dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in the mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Amidst the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me. And if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad i gwybodau. Boed hysbys i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi'u harholi'n briodol yn unol a statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'u cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe'i hatgoffon o'i cyfrifoldeb i gyfrannu o werthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy yw ceisio drwy eu cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu i sicrhau rhagoliaeth ym mhob peth ac yn boeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad i gwybodau. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Brynhawn da. I'm Anna, your Vice President International from the Students' Union. Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which you all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Palestine, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, and for that I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or have dependents and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something completely different. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences you have shared together in the seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities you have embraced, and the relationships which you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter of your life, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Longe Vargiado, class of 2025.
Pnawn da I chi gyd a chroeso twym galon. Good afternoon to all of you. Very, very, very warm welcome to you. Fy enw i'r athro Damien Walford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Walford-Davies. I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. And my job here today is very simple. It's joyful and joyous, and it is to warmly welcome all students to receive their awards. Now that, of course, is the part of the ceremony where students' names are read out by senior members of the university, and each crosses the stage in a moment of what's meant to be real theatre that is unique to them as individuals and deserving of all the noise you can make. So, a few words on noise. As Laura said, please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross by clapping or cheering. I don't mind how you do it. You can holler, you can cry, you can scream, you can admit noises hitherto unknown to mankind. But I know you're going to keep it classy. Achibwch y cyfle gyda'ch cymeradwyaeth da chi. And just to remember that point about the unique journey of each student across the stage, please keep the applause and the noise up at a certain level and don't allow it to flag. Each one, individual journey. Thank you. Now, once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, there'll be a little moment of magic. They'll be asked to stand, and it's our tradition for me to speak in what is for me my first language, Welsh, to receive each group of graduates to their award. Now, technically, your degrees have already been awarded at the end of the examination process. So at the end of that examination governance, when the signature goes on to say that those marks have been added up correctly and the degrees have been awarded, that is technically when that degree is awarded. However, we like some magic. So I will be asking you to rise and I will be conferring the award. So it's that moment of magic and theatre that we look forward to. And the Welsh formula I will use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. And in Welsh, trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad ar holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil, llongyfarchiadau. So look out for that word, llongyfarchiadau. That'll be the prompt. It'll be obvious. I now introduce my colleague, Dr. Matt Walsh, head of the School of Journalism, Media and Culture, who will present the students for their award.
I, Dr. Matt Walsh, introduce those who have received the award of Bachelor of Arts. Aluwa Damilola Akinkume. Ola Aluwa Akinteo. Najla Abdul Rahman Alman Hardy. Amma Al Wafafi. Haya Asadi. Sarah Jane Astley. Maya Atragada. Samuel Baird. Michael Barker. Lydia Bonds. Ella Bateman. Ian Edward Ildefonso Bertolano. Delphina Blasi. Lewis Blower. Sarah Bosley. Emily Bowen. Kian Brayshaw. Isabel Breaker. Katie Brenner. Antara Burant and Chobe. Cian Campbell. Bridget Clowder Channon. Chloe Xing Shuwon. George Clark. Mia Coley. Katie Collins. Millie Connolly. Greg Cook. Hugo Charles Milo Crackler. Owen Rory James Crimmins. Charlotte Emily Crispin. Amy Curtis. Isabella Delpat. Molly Davis. Sam Davis. Adelaide Dawes. Jessica Derrick. Zoe Michelle Charlotte Dixon. Grace D'Souza. Ella Durand. Emily Duvet. Rosie Dyer. Rebecca Nkechi Ifoma Edwards. Olivia Evely. Bethany Lois Farrell. Mathilde Gigalotti. Lucy Gilder. Rosie Glover. Charlie Goodenough. Jasmine Louise Goulden. Joseph Ewan Goff. ISMP Griffiths. Lexi Gutteridge. Grace Ham. Jude Harrington. Caitlin Harris. Isabel Rasheen Hayward. Si Yi Hee. Ethan Hillier. Francis Hills. Jamia Amreen Hussain. Shreyas Jaswal. Drishti Johar. Kian Edward Jones. Rebecca Holly Jones. Rhys Jones. Natalie Kenny. Olivia Jacqueline King. Tilly Kirk. Ella Kite. Ira Kogetchi. Ella Lurd. Charlotte Laywers. Chung Ting Lee. Horn Yi Lee. Li Mingzin. Ayu Learn. Michael Lewis. Reese Lewis. Sam Lewis. Justine Lilliman. Katie Lloyd. Ellie Lloyd. Kelly Lo Yen Tong. Oliver Lowe. Angelina Mabley. Jessie Manning. Ella Manning. Daisy Ruth Mason. Freya Mayo. Lauren Marie Melia. Lily Maria More. Christina Morozova. Sophia Mulder. Thoric Natasmi. Nikki Ng. Engwang Yi Yusel. Tom Willem Nicholson. Howley Neal. Kayan O'Neill. Isabel Owen. Maximus Owen. Srijan Pal. Louis Christopher Pascoe. Amelia Payne. Isabel Mary Payne. Natalia Perenez Garcia. Kia Peters. Abigail Elizabeth Phillips. Phoebe Picton. Zoe Picton. Tom Pilkington. Lydia Louise Powell. Ryan MacDonald Priest. Jasmine Preston. Hannah Prince. Sophie Ann Pritchard. Alicia Louise Ratcliffe. Savias Ruknaik Akka. Abigail Reed. Mia Teagan Riley. Scott Richards. Poppy Violet Robbins. Gareth Roberts. Ruby Roberts. Shalon Robinson. Jinshi Ruan. Natasha Saddington. Sophia Sandal-Jupulu. Ananya Sorning. Morgan Shake. Molly Matilda Slough. Luke Adam Smith. Sadie Saren Smith. Leon Snow. Yelizavetka Sokolova. Daria Stankulescu. Caitlin Steele. Yuen Su. Keris Sullivan. Kira Sutton. Amy Louise Shulszewski. Olivia Teisner. Zishi Tan. Hannah Mae Taylor. Annie Louise Thomas. Jack Thomas. Tian Traylor. Charlotte Eve Trespadden. Katie Turnbull. Lauren Mary Tutchell. Libby Rose Uphill. Keris Upstone. Sophia Vaccaro, Christina Vena, Harriet Ben, Eric Weiler-Kamp, Fionn Ward, Juan Umelda Urisha Juan Budrola, Chen Yi Wang, Qian Wang, Ashley Madison White, Ava Grace Whiteley, Emily Louise Williams, Emma Winfield, Lillian Walford, Joe Woodward, Rosa Wright, Morgan Rixton, Yiren Xiao, Alicia Yap Wing Xin, Michael Jong Young, Lily Zhu, Li Yi Zhang,
I, Dr. Nicholas Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Matthew Barclay. Natasha Eloise Benton. Sophie Elizabeth Bull. Emily Mia Burton. Elizabeth Coton. Lily Eve Edmondson. Jessica Kathleen Fitzsimons. Tia Hallowell. Celeste Hexter. Ho Kwam Lam. Finn James Lane. Amelia Jane Lee. Evie Grace Luce. Katie Martin. Louise Melson. Maya Ulauch Ulaanye. Si Xing Tan. Sorry. Reese Tilley. Phoebe Titley. Shi Yu Wu. Thank you. I, Dr. Nicholas Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Music. Jake Kofi Opung Adu. Chek Hei Ao Jung. Isabel Biddles. Rebecca Jolliffe. Kate Bidwell. Emily Grace Boxer. Jake Collins. Wilfred Philip Dingle. Jennifer Ruth Dobinson. Joshua James Etoff. Imogen Hollins. Mia Jade Holt. Daffodil Merida Catchbowl Hauler. Gwenllian Marie Howells. Sek Hei Kyung. Dahlia Binti. Mary Catherine Lillington. Isabella Loxton. Miles Manders Young. Harry McInroy. William Morris. Owen Rees Parsons. Laurie J. Rich. Jacques Segrot. Lap Ting Tang. Gwenllian Serin Thorne. Abigail Valentine. Daniel Williams. Sophie Jean Wilson. Hannah Wiltshire. Ying Shi Zhang. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
There was some good doffing there, some slick transits across the stage. It's good. I like soft toys. I think this is going very well. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn, steddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Well, quite.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Thank you. Aradhana Singh. Ziyan Q. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Al-Hassan Sumani. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Shekhar Acharya. Temi Topi Anikiola Adisobe. Victoria Arg. Hannah Ainsley. Murfaza Ali Hassan. Roshni Anand. Fosot Omolara Adiwelo. Nisha Maya Asher Jones. Amrit Zara Kaur Baines. Rachel Ballat. Madeline Balcom. Megan Ballantyne. Titiksha Barapatre. Zaini Bexley. Sharina Ajay Bundia. Thomas Boyd. Ji Ying Chan. Megan Davies. Katie Brosnan. Lily Bunting. Will Burley. Ruby Manon Butt. Demi Caddy. Jodhar Sai. Agostina Serasoli. Kajia Chen. Zishen Chen. Ji Wen Chung. Sophie Louise Colson. Eleanor Colson. Sophie Crothall. Xingjin Day Ali. Eve Annabella Davies. Zachary Davis. Rhiannon Day. Cynthia Debroy. Alia Divianer. Oren Donnelly. Rhiannon Eves. Brianna Francis. Owen Francis. Jen Nee Gan. Keris Iona Gardner. Debelina Gaylan. Becky George. Zoe Glasgow. Soumitra Gogate. Sophia Alice Grace. Emily Sean Griffiths. Valentine Dumu Grignog. Madeleine Grokert. Anubab Gupta. Esther Gurbix. Tanya Hassan. Amira Hyatt. Joseph Heppenstall. Guion Even. Isabel Hutfield. Manon Jenkins. Rianne Hutchins. Pluto Peng Huang. Sydney Johnson.
Yes, Sydney! Woo!
Kaylee Helen Eve Johnson. Ellen Johnston. Katie Jones. Morgan Eugene Jones Mitchell. Lee Jahuya Jin. Sorry. Zi Chung Chun. Kirsty Marie Lee. So Hyun Kahang. Tushar Kartikeyan. Adam George Kelly Moore. Zhu Kong. Reich Kramer. Yun Li Kwang. Abhirami Krishna Davadan. Siddhartha Kurapati. Shunwei Kwok. Yuki Lewis Kwong. Dana Lee. Larry Lewis, sorry. Wingman Lee. Yongbin Lee. Xingyu Lung. Yanni Lung. Xie Chu Yu Lun. Hongshan Lui. Jingyuan Liu. Peilun Lui. Dominic Manley. Owen McCall. Shannon McGuigan. Clodagh McKechnie. Lara Mertis. Disha Mistra. Ruyan Mo. Dvija Pankaj Modi. Surav Mondal. Lily Mott. Garji Mukherjee. Sneha Murali. Thomas Murphy. Stanley Benjamin Murphy Johns. Manuel Neves da Costa Ferreira. Shane Toner. Sophie Nixon. Tanatswa Claire Janina. Cheryl Genie. Caitlin O'Callaghan. Williams Okra. Gayatri Palakode Ramachandran. Anshika Paliwal. Joe Nicholas Parrish. George William Phillips. Kui Shung Yang. Emily May Redmond. Alid Llewellyn Rees. Tristan Rees. Joseph Dominic Rees-Jones. William Rogers. Sandra Martina Ruinska. Sahil Kumar Sahu. Tina Saji. Punya Samant. Gabriella Marie Sanders. George Walker Scottfield. Chloe Seaton. Yu Qian Shan. Chi Ning Shang. Anuksha Singh. Nikita Singh. Unnati Sinha. Thomas Walter Spare. Abella Stubberfield. Long Ha Su. Fang Yi Sun. Si Han Sun. George Simmons. Tarana Tabassum. Thomas Martin Taylor. Ashikai Taiwa Akasi Tete. Chetna Asya Tambi Chelai. Ashley Tima. Isabel Ellery Wynne Thomas. Stanley Tian. Hansa Tote. Caleb Tutt. Samuel Ag bin Ogammi. Pritika Vinod. Florence May Waddington. Alpi Badwani. Sean Wallace. Meng Meng Wang. Shi Wang. Wang Zizhon. Jesse Mutari Wanguyu. Hannah Ellen Rose Wild. Harrison Owen Williams. Juliet Willis. Damien Wilson. Catherine Worrell. Charlotte Wright. Xiang O. Hui Chen Yang. Marley Yao. Hafsa Yassin. Yi Hang Zung. Bowen Zhong. Zheng Jiang. Rita Zhung. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Irfan Jafar. Millie Brigo. Anna Dowell. Hannah Faye Goodhead. Wingzi Luong Lillian. Ambrose Prim. Lauren Elizabeth Scott. Ritika Srivastava. Navneet Vyasan. Rajasi Mukherjee. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
I think most of the action happens after they pass me. That's where the memes happen, so I'll have to watch this back later on today. Still going very well? Good. Good reading of the names, both. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad ar holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Dalal Al-Khatri. Dr. Kate Kochaya Hopkins. Dr. Rio Creech. Dr. Maxwell Modell. Dr. Jason Roberts. Dr. Isabel Rorison. Dr. Violet Olivia Thompson. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
There's a rowdy lot over there, and there's another one over there. Well done. Excellent. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad ar holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau.
Prynhawn da bawb. Good afternoon, everyone. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales, and the world. My name is Karen Wahl Jorgensen. I'm University Dean of Research, Environment and Culture and a professor in the School of Journalism, Media and Culture. And I am delighted to introduce our new honorary fellow. Today, we recognize Babita Sharma with the award of an honorary fellowship. Her success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I nodi ein heddmygedd, ein bachder a'n diolch o'r gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrydydd. Babita is an award-winning broadcaster, journalist, and author. During a 20-year career at the BBC, Babita was a chief news presenter reporting on some of the most defining global events of our time, including the COVID-19 pandemic, Brexit, and the Black Lives Matter protest. Babita's critically acclaimed book, The Corner Shop, delves into the social history of Britain's corner shops, inspired by her upbringing in 1980s Britain. The book was celebrated with a Business Book Award and featured as a BBC Radio 4 Book of the Week. She's also ventured into children's literature with her series, The Adventures of Priya Mystery, set to inspire young readers. A passionate advocate for diversity in mental health, Babita mentors ethnic minority journalists and serves as a trustee for United for Global Mental Health and Crescent Arts Northern Ireland. She is also a patron of the South Asian Heritage Trust and the Migration Museum, and a recipient of a prestigious Asian Achievement Award. I will now present this distinguished individual who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University.
Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gyda cyngor, derbyniaf chi fel cymrawd anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau.
Whew. Hello. Thank you so much, Cardiff University. Thank you all. A place that is incredibly close to my heart for this incredible honor. It feels quite surreal, and if I'm honest, a little emotional. My mum would have loved this. Mum, I know you're watching up there. This isn't just any Wednesday morning for you, for me, for any of us in this room. And you know, when I was thinking about what to say today, I kept having these moments of doubt. Is this recognition really for me? A girl who grew up above a corner shop, a teenager who had no clue about her future, and a young woman entering broadcast journalism who didn't quite fit the BBC mold, and someone who spent more than 15 years broadcasting breaking news to a global audience of millions in a newsroom that, let's be honest, didn't always look and sound like me. But you know what? I realized, hell yeah, why not me? Because possibility isn't reserved for a select few. It is for all of us. And to the graduates, I remember being where you are 27 years ago, wondering what's next. How am I going to pay off my student debt? How to avoid moving back in with my mum and dad? How to ride that high of student life a little longer. But you know what? That can all just wait. Because questions like that are going to keep coming throughout your lives. But for now, for today, just be. Just be in this moment. And the truth is, you have all the answers. You just have to be plugged into you. And you know what? That's not easy. But you got here, right? You pushed through those late nights, those self-doubt, the hangovers, and probably a lot of dodgy takeaways. But here's the thing, it's not about the answers. The beauty is the not knowing where your journey is going to take you. I left Cardiff University in 1998 and I couldn't find a job in the media for a while. So I started temping as a receptionist in an insurance company. Then I ended up DJing in the United Arab Emirates, a move that made no sense on paper. And eventually I returned back to the UK and began grafting hard in BBC local radio. And if my journey proves anything, it's that the path doesn't have to make sense to anyone, just you. Yes, I'm a journalist, I'm a broadcaster, but I've just written a children's book series and completed a master's in poetry. I didn't see that one coming. And my best mates, friends that I met here at Cardiff University, some who I've dragged here today, they're up there, they think I'm a bit bonkers because I just told them recently, do you know what, I think I'm going to do a kids' animation series. Because why not? Why not me? And the poet Rumi said, respond to the calls that excite you. And I've always tried and still try to act on those moments that make me feel alive. And I'm still trying to figure out my purpose, so don't be in a rush to figure out yours. So as you step into the next chapter, remember, you don't have to have everything mapped out. Celebrate the detours. Trust that you're ready for what comes next, even if it looks nothing like what you imagined. And don't be afraid to surprise yourself. Enjoy. Enjoy today. And congratulations.
Thank you, Babita, for those wise words from one who knows. The journey doesn't have to make sense to anyone but you, and celebrate the detours. I think that, I hope that you'll take those words to heart, and I, aged nearly 57, certainly will too, because that seems like lifelong advice. Well, it's now my great honor to deliver the closing remarks. I must say that I have enjoyed so much seeing all of you cross the stage. I love the shoes, the fashion, the poses. I have every confidence that you're going to go well into this life based on what I saw today. And once again, Flongyfarchiadau, congratulations, but you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cymuned, Cynfyfeirwyr, Prifysgol Caerdydd. A whole new life awaits. Cardiff alumni become citizens who make an impact in this world. Some are high profile, like Babita. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. As Virginia Woolf said, one of my favorite writers, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but you. I can't wait to see what all of you do next. For many of you, though, I know that today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Stay in touch with us and with each other. So with that in mind, as your Chancellor, I'd like to invite all of you to join a new university tradition, the reunion. In July of 2026, we'll be holding our first ever big reunion weekend. Please, the great class of 2025, come back to Cardiff in 2026 to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. We want to help you build a social and professional network that will be with you throughout your lives. And this is something I've seen with my children who've grown up in America and gone to American universities, where the alumni community is becoming the backbone of their young lives. So here in Cardiff, we're going to have a big party for your 5th reunion, your 10th, and so on. I hope the great class of 2025 will be back here in Cardiff in 2075 for the big reunion weekend, your 50th anniversary of your graduation. I will be long gone, but I'm relying on you to carry the torch for Cardiff. So please volunteer to be captains, that's captains in English, for your class, because we're going to need some help organising the big reunion weekend. Details will be in your alumni welcome email, so please open it. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last important Cardiff tradition to uphold. While today is about your achievement, it isn't something you did alone. Your family, your friends, and of course your lecturers all supported you along the way. So please, new graduates, stand if you can. Everyone in the arena made a heck of a lot of noise for you. Well done, mums. Well done, Eulalators. Particularly enjoyed that. Now it's your turn to make noise and say thank you, diolch yn fawr, to your loved ones. Let's hear it. Louder. Nicely done. Thank you, Mum, Dad, loved ones. You may be seated. To close our celebrations, here's a short film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today. And once again, Llongyfarchiadau to the great class of 2025. See you back here next year for your first reunion.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
"Cheers, drive."
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy mnydd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Thank you.